Alright, let's start with something that every small business owner, content creator, or online seller knows too well. You've got a great product, but turning that product into a video that actually sells, well, that's where the real challenge starts. Hiring UGC creators, so user-generated content, can cost anywhere between $200 to $500 per video, and that's if you find someone good. Because then comes the waiting, revisions, contracts, and sometimes disappointment when the results just doesn't match your vision. But what if you could create that same high-quality UGC style content yourself? Videos that look like they were made by real creators. But instead of spending hundreds of dollars, it takes just a few minutes. With AI. That's exactly what we're talking about today. Let's break down how you can create stunning UGC ads, products, promos, and social content in just a few clicks, all powered by nim.video. Now, before we get into the tool itself, let's talk about why this is such a big deal right now. If you've been on TikTok or Instagram lately, you've probably noticed that the most effective ads don't look like ads anymore. They look like real people giving real opinions. That's UGC, user-generated content. It's authentic, it's relatable, and it just works. In fact, studies showed that UGC-style ads consistently outperform traditional ads in both CTR and conversion rates. People scroll right past polished corporate ads, but when they see a casual, natural-looking clip that feels human, they stop and watch. And that's where brands are seeing the biggest ROI, not from high-budget productions, but from simple, story-driven, authentic-looking videos. The issue, scaling that kind of content has always been a nightmare. If you're running a business, you need dozens of variations for different campaigns, different hooks, tones, formats, and seasonal versions. And if you pay for each those manually, you'll end up spending thousands just to test what works. That's why AI UGC is the next big wave. It's about speed, scalability, and creative freedom. And nim.video is one of the best examples of how accessible that's become. So, what exactly is nim.video? Think of it as your AI creative studio in the browser. It's a web-based platform that brings together more than 40 of the best AI models, both commercial and open source, under one single subscription. That means you don't have to pay for multiple tools, multiple AIs, juggle logins, or figure out which app does what. You open nim.video and you can create videos, images, ads, product visuals, everything all in one place. Some of the video models you get access to include Kling, C-Dance, Hilo, One, Sora, and Veo. And for image generation, there are Nano Banana, Flux, Google, and GPI images, among others. But the real star of the show is definitely Sora 2. Sora 2 literally just came out and is very hyped at the moment for a reason. It allows you to create insanely realistic scenarios. Trust me, you will be shocked. You should definitely experiment around with Sora 2. Let's talk about workflow. Normally, creating a marketing video means planning, shooting, editing, color correcting, captioning. The list goes on and on. With Nim, it's simplified down to this: upload, describe, and generate. You can literally make 10 different UGC style videos in a single sitting. No scheduling, shoots, no outsourcing edits, and no waiting for freelancers to send final files. That's why nim.video is perfect not only for big companies, but also for small businesses owners, e-commerce sellers, coaches, consultants, content creators, and even educators. Basically, anyone who wants to post high quality content consistently without burning out or spending a fortune. And it's all browser based. So no complicated setups, no downloads, and no heavy software that lags or crashes. Now, let's talk about what I think is nim.video's most beginner-friendly feature: templates. Templates are pre-built setups that help you make professional videos and visuals instantly. They're like ready-made creative packs. You just pick the type of content you want, say a UGC product photo shoot, and nim.video builds the framework for you. Everything's already tuned: camera movement, timing, composition, and even suggested styles. You just add your image, tweak a few settings, and you're done. It's honestly perfect for people who don't know much about AI prompting. You don't need to understand mole parameters or describe lighting. The templates do all of that for you, and new templates are added every single week, so the library keeps growing and growing. So whatever niche you're in, fashion, beauty, food, tech, accessories, there's something that fits. It's one of those features that make Name That Video stand out because it bridges that gap between advanced AI tools and complete beginners. You can get results in minutes that generally look like professional ad campaigns. Alright, now let's go through a simple example. How you'd actually create a UGC ad with Name That Video. Well, we'll start with the base image. Let's say you've got a product, maybe a skincare serum or a phone case. Upload your product photo into Name's image section. Now, generate different variations. Try prompts like product held by a smiling person or product placed on a table with soft natural light. You can test across multiple models like Flux, Nano Banana, or Google's image model and instantly compare which result fits best. Now, let's turn that image into a video. We'll go to the image to video tool. And here you describe what happens in the clip. For example, camera zooms in as the mole smiles. You can even describe how you want the camera to move, tilt, rotate, zoom or pan, and Name That Video will animate it for you. Now, let's add a sound or a voice. Models like VO3 let you add sound directly in the prompt. If you want lip-synced talking clips, you can use HeyGen Lip Sync afterward for realistic speech. Now, there's some optional editing. Right now, Name That Video focuses on generation, so you can export clips individually and combine them in your favorite editor if you want longer videos. But honestly, even a single Name That Video generated clip looks polished enough to post right away. Now, let's zoom out a bit and talk about why this actually matters. For small business owners, this is huge. You no longer need to pay influencers or agencies to make content for every product. You can create your own authentic looking UGC ads at scale for launches, seasonal promos, Black Fridays, campaigns, or just to refresh your feed. For content creators, Name That Video means consistency. You can create visuals, B-roll, or short form videos in bulk without losing your style or quantity. For educators or coaches, it's a time saver, turning your scripts or podcast segments into short video clips for social media in minutes, literally. And for artists and creatives, Name That Video opens a playground for experimentation. You can visualize concepts, test aesthetics, and bring ideas to life without any production crew. Basically, if you have an idea, Name That Video helps you make it real faster than ever. And just to emphasize, AI UGC isn't just about saving money, it's about performance. UGC style content consistently gets higher CTRs, better engagement, and more trust from viewers. It feels natural, it fits seamlessly into social feeds. And because you can generate multiple variations quickly, you can A/B test and instantly adapt to what's working and what's not. That's the kind of flexibility that used to be reserved for big marketing teams. Now it's something a single person can do from their laptop. And that's what makes Name That Video so powerful. So here's the bottom line. Name That Video is the all-in-one AI platform that brings together creation, automation, and simplicity. No extra subscriptions, no confusing interfaces, just pure creative power. Now, to summarize, you've got over 40 AI models for video and image generation. You got instant switching between models to compare results. The Q-Win Meta model for multi-model prompts. Weekly updates, templates for easy plug and play content, and full creative control, all in one browser tab, whether you're building your personal brand, running a store, or just experimenting with AI. Name That Video gives you a faster, smarter way to create. So if you want to try it out, head over to Name That Video or simply click the link in the description or in the pinned comment below. You'll get 200 free credits to start generating your first AI videos right now. And that's it. No downloads, no subscription to juggle, just pure creativity powered by AI. Go test it out, see what you can make, and let me know what you think, because honestly, that is what the future of content creation looks like right now. Thank you so much for watching. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.